Hey everyone, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to use two WhatsApp account in one phone. Now I'm provide a very simple method step by step, so follow my whole process very carefully. At first open WhatsApp. Look here, now I'm already log in a one account. Let's go to add another account. Click on to settings. Click on add account. Add phone number. Press on next. Look here, now successfully add two WhatsApp account in one phone. Just click on to switch the another account. So that's it. That's how you can easily use two WhatsApp account in one phone. If in this video helpful, please hit the like button and subscribe our tutorial channel for more video.